In this lesson, we are going to learn how fossils are formed. Some of the best evidence scientists have about the history of life on Earth comes from fossils. So, what do we mean by fossils? Fossils are the preserved remains of the dead organisms from millions of years ago. And they are found preserved in rocks, ice, and other places. For example, fossils have revealed the world of dinosaurs. These are the giant reptiles dominated the earth at one stage and died out many millions of years ago, even before the evolution of the first human beings. Now, the question is, how are these fossils formed? Well, fossils can be formed in a number of ways. They can be formed from hard body parts, such as the bones and the shells, which do not decay easily or are replaced by minerals as they decay. And this takes place over long periods. In addition, fossils can be formed when parts of organisms that have not decayed because one or more of the conditions needed for decay are absent. For example, when there is little or no oxygen present, or when there is poisonous gases that will kill off the bacteria that cause the decay, as well as when the temperature is too low for decay to take place. Thus, the conditions needed for decay are not available, so the animal or the plant will not decay completely. Finally, some of the fossils found are not of actual animals or plants, but are preserved traces they have left behind, such as footprints, burrows, and the rootlet traces. And these become covered by layers of sediment which eventually become rock. Now, these fossils will help us to build up a picture of life on Earth long ago and give us information about organisms that lived millions of years ago. Now, the record for fossils is not complete, and this is because of several reasons. First, many of the very earliest forms of life were soft-bodied organisms. This means they have left little fossil trace, and that the majority of any fossils that were formed in the earliest days will have been destroyed by geological activity, including the formation of mountain range, erosions, volcanoes, and earthquakes. In addition, many organisms that died did not become fossilized. This is because the right conditions for fossil formation were rare. And finally, there are many fossils that are still to be found. This is why scientists cannot be absolutely certain about how life on Earth began. But these fossils that have been found can still give you a snapshot of life millions of years ago.